In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Temu. If you need proof of purchase for your records, a return request, reimbursement purposes, or simply to keep track of your online shopping history, this guide will show you exactly how to locate and download your Temu receipt quickly and easily. While Temu may not always provide a traditional invoice format, the receipt available in your account contains the important order details most people need. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Temu website. If you are using a mobile device, you can also complete the same process through your browser or the Temu app. Once the home page loads, look toward the upper corner of the screen where you will find the Sign In option. Click on it and log into your Temu account using your account credentials. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Near the top section of the page, locate your account or profile icon and click on it to open your account settings and shopping information. This section acts as the main control center for managing your orders, payments, and account activity. Inside your account menu, look for the section labeled Your Orders or Orders. Once you open it, you'll see a list of your recent purchases displayed on the screen. Browse through your order history and select the specific order for which you need a receipt or invoice copy. After opening the Order Details page, carefully review the information shown for that purchase. Somewhere within the order summary, you should find an option labeled View Receipt or something similar. Click on that option and the receipt for your order will open directly on your screen. At this point, you'll usually have the ability to either print the receipt or download it to your device for future reference. Saving a digital copy can be especially useful if you need documentation later for returns, refunds, warranty claims, or expense tracking. It's also important to remember that Temu typically provides a receipt rather than a formal business invoice. However, for most personal purchases and standard records, the receipt includes the necessary order details such as item names, payment information, and transaction history. Once you have downloaded or printed the document, you're all set. Keeping copies of your receipts can make managing your purchases much easier, especially when handling returns or checking previous orders. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.